Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and in today's video we are excited to share a case study on how we have helped a leading provider of chain link fencing. In the today's digital landscape, a chain link fencing company in Fraser Valley, British Columbia used the Google AdWords to overcome the challenges and generate 168 leads monthly at a CPA of only $14, achieving the outstanding results. So let's dive deep in. Client overview and the business details. The client is a local chain link fencing business specializing in the residential and the commercial installations. Their services include the durable and the customizable fencing solutions tailored to meet the needs of the homeowners and the businesses across Fraser Valley, covering Mission, Abbotsford, Langley, Pitt Meadows and the surrounding areas. Despite offering exceptional service, the clients struggle to get consistently high quality leads. So now in terms of how the client reached us, the client initially managed their Google AdWords account independently but faced the challenges in achieving meaningful results. And despite spending significantly, they have struggled with the poor campaign performance, no recorded conversions and the wasted budget. Realizing the need for the professional expertise, they searched online for a digital marketing partner. After discovering our videos and exploring our website, they have reached out to us for a consultation, seeking a strategic approach to optimize their ads to their budget. Account audit and the issues faced. Upon auditing the client Google AdWords account, we have identified several issues hindering the performance. Lack of the targeted keywords. Their campaigns were not optimized for high intent local keywords, generic ads. The ads lacked the differentiation and did not highlight the unique selling points such as the affordability and the durability. Inefficient budget allocation. Funds were spread too thin across the non-performing campaigns, missing ad extensions. The key feature like the call extension and the location extension were not utilized, leading to the missed engagement opportunities. Solutions and the campaign optimization. To tackle the challenges and optimize the client's Google AdWords performance, we have implemented a detailed multifaceted strategy. Each step focuses on improving the targeting, engagement and the cost efficiency to ensure maximum return on investment. So number first is the conversion tracking implementation. The absence of proper tracking was a major hurdle, so we have implemented a robust conversion tracking system. Goals were set up to measure the phone calls, form submissions and the appointment bookings. We have integrated the Google Tag Manager to track all website interactions effectively. This enabled the real-time performance analysis and allowed for the data-driven decisions which were critical for the ongoing campaign optimizations. Second is the campaign restructuring. The client's old campaigns were restructured to address the inefficiencies and to optimize the performance. Keywords were segmented into tighter, some more focused ad groups, ensuring the relevance. We have rewrote all the ads to emphasize the key selling points like the affordability, durability and the customizability. Additionally, we have implemented a robust list of the negative keyword to filter out the irrelevant clicks, reducing the wasted ad spend. To further refine targeting, the ads were geo-targeted specifically to the Fraser Valley and the surrounding areas, ensuring the budget was not spent on the unqualified clicks. Third is the single keyword ad group strategy. We have restructured the campaigns using the single keyword ad groups to enhance the relevance and the quality scores. Each ad group was centered on a single high intent keyword such as the chain link fencing installation and the residential fencing services Fraser Valley. This strategy helped to deliver the highly relevant ads for the search queries, boosting the CTR and improve the quality score. Consequently, the CPC reduced and the ad rank improved. The result was a more efficient use of the budget, driving traffic from the serious buyers while minimizing the relevant clicks. The next is the call-only campaigns. By recognizing that many customers prefer the direct communication, we have launched a dedicated call-only campaign. Ads were tailored with the reaction-driven copy, such as the call now for free quote, prominently displaying the client's phone number. This campaign focused on the high-intent users who are ready to speak with a representative, eliminating the unnecessary steps in the customer journey. This approach significantly increased the phone inquiries, contributing to over 40% of the total leads generated. The next is the dynamic callouts and the ad extensions. To make the ads stand out, we have leveraged the dynamic callouts and the ad extensions. The unique selling points like the affordable pricing, custom solutions, and the free estimates were prominently highlighted through the callouts. Site links directed to the important pages like the services, about us, and the contact us, while the call extension make it very easy for the user to contact the client directly from the ad. These enhancements improved the user experience and boosted the overall conversion rate. The next is the localized campaigns. We have separate campaigns for the specific service areas, including the Mission, Abbotsford, Langley, and the Pitt Meadows. This localized approach helped us to draft the ad copy that actually resonated with the customers in each region, such as trusted chain link fencing in Abbotsford. Localized campaigns increase the relevance and the trust, resulting in higher engagement rates and the conversions in the targeted regions. Budget allocation and the scaling. We have reallocated the budget to focus on high-performing campaigns. Underperforming campaigns were paused and resources were shifted to SCAGs and the call-only campaigns, which showed better performance. For scaling, we have gradually increased the budget for the campaigns with a proven track record of driving high quality leads. This approach maximized the ROI while maintaining an impressive cost per conversion of only $14. The next is the A/B testing. To ensure the continuous improvement, we have conducted the A/B tests on the ads and the landing pages. Variations in the headline and the description were tested to identify the most compelling messaging, while the different layouts and the call to actions were evaluated to improve the user experience and the conversion rates. This iterative testing resulted in the incremental improvements in the CTR and the conversion rates over time, solidifying the campaign's success. So now, in terms of the results, so after like 2 or 3 months with the proper campaign optimization, we have successfully generated around 168 high quality leads per month for the client, achieving a remarkable CPA of only $14, well below the industry average. With the conversion rate of around 18.5%, the campaign consistently delivered strong performance, ensuring the maximum efficiency. So now, in terms of the conclusion, this case study highlights the impact of well-structured and the targeted Google AdWords campaign. By addressing account inefficiencies and implementing the best practices, the client achieved measurable results and strengthened their position in the local market. Their success underscores the importance of strategic optimization and the ongoing campaign management. So, if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp for the free audit. We will be able to look at your PPC account, and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. You can still contact us with the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what exactly you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video. Please do make sure to click on the like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.